Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're doing a room tour of the Hyatt Place in Chandler, Arizona. This is close to the Chandler Fashion Square Mall. When you first walk into the room, you can see you have a desk with a chair in the room, telephone. The light has power ports so you can plug in your laptop. There's also a hardwired landline for internet, in case you need a hardwired connection. And then you have a nice big sofa, some pictures on the wall, little table, nice flat screen TV on the wall. We are up on the 3rd floor. And the view from here. And in the other corner of the living room, you have a mini fridge, ice bucket with glasses, some coffee and tea, and an individual cup coffee maker, or for making hot water. Okay, now we'll continue into the bedroom. In the bedroom, you have a king-size bed, both sides of the lights. They have the power ports, so you can easily plug in your phone or anything you need to charge. Telephone. Dresser with a flat screen TV. And you have your bathroom. You got your single sink vanity. Body lotion, conditioner, shampoo, and soap. And you've got a shower. Just a regular stand-up shower. Very nice hotel, great location. If you're ever in the Chandler, Arizona area, check out the Hyatt Place, next to the Fashion Square Mall. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, comment, follow along for more videos to come. Until next time.